Hello everyone, how are you today? In this session, we will review some vocabulary clothes used in the hospitality industry. While wearing a uniform makes the front of house staff easily identifiable and maintains a professional image, chefs' uniforms are important for health, safety, and hygiene reasons. So, if you work behind the scenes like the chefs in the hospitality industry, you must wear the right type of hospitality uniform. This uniform consists of toque blanche, bandana, triangle, jacket, bib apron, chef trousers, torchon, also known as the dish towel, and anti-slip shoes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.